Video we are going to unbox the new iPhone 15. It just got delivered today here in Japan. I pre-ordered it and it arrived on September 22nd. So I chose the black version just because the black version is the more basic one, and it's, I guess, the safe choice to go with. I saw all the colors, but they weren't really shine to me. They weren't really that great. So like the blue or like the yellow, they were really vague. So I thought maybe it's a safe choice to go with the black, and that's what I think it is. So I chose the 128 gigabyte version just because that's the cheapest one and just gets your foot on the iPhone. And also the new iPhone 15 has the dynamic island, so it won't have the notch anymore like the 14s or 13s, so that's great to see. And also the big update is that the iPhone 15 will have Type-C, so you will be able to integrate it on your Type-C ecosystem, so that's great. So without further ado, let's open it up, and here we can see the phone. And this is the black version. As you can see, it's more matte, so that's good. So hopefully there won't be much fingerprint since it's matte color. One thing that I noticed is that the camera lens bumps are pretty big because I'm coming from an Android, so keep that in mind. And also another update for this iPhone is that, as you can see on the edges, they are round. On the other iPhones they're more squared, so that's one thing to note. And we also have Type-C. Over here the connection is Type-C, so that's awesome. Let's see if it's gonna focus. There we go, Type-C connection. So let's open this up. Let's pull it out. Let's turn it on. Nice. Okay, and as we can see the notch over here, so that's nice. And one thing to note is that display is really amazing. The colors are unique and really nice. So now we got to go through the regular process of setting up the iPhone. So you choose your language, the region, and here we go, the appearance. You can change it up, make it big. I'm gonna go with the default, and then I'm actually gonna go set it up with my Android device. So I'm gonna move. You're gonna have to install Move from Android to iOS app on your Android phone, and that'll be able to transfer all the data and apps and messages and contacts and such. So let me go do that and I'll come back. But before I go, I'm going to show you what else is on the case. So we got the Type-C cable. Let me show you here. So this is a Type-C cable, and it's obviously Type-C on both ends. And for this lineup, the Type-C cable is braided, so I think this will be really durable. So that's nice for Apple to do. And then on the pamphlet side, we got, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, let's see. Okay, so we got one Apple sticker, and we also got the SIM ejection tool. And the reason we have the SIM ejection tool here is because this iPhone is the global version. So that means it has the SIM card tool, whereas the US models will only have eSIM, which kinda sucks if you ask me. So that's one benefit of buying an iPhone overseas than buying it in the US, that you'll be able to have a SIM card tool. So that's nice for switching up companies and stuff like that. So let me go set up my phone and I'll come back. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I am back and I was able to set up everything, and The first impressions are that the display is really bezel-less. So if you can see the borders, they're really thin. So I really like about this. And also, just in general, iOS 17 is much better than the previous iOS's, and it just allows a better connection through the Apple ecosystem. So like if you have a MacBook, if you have AirPods and stuff like that. And the design feels really nice, and I'm really liking the round edges. So, and I haven't tested the camera yet, but expect to get a full review within 2 to 3 days as I test out the camera and the phone and just the battery in general, because this is the iPhone 15 and not the Plus version, so the battery will be the smallest one. So I can't wait to see the battery life on this. Hopefully it lasts long, but that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned to watch out for the full review of the phone. So make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.